There's so many variables that can't be controlled. This is pseudoscience.
Do you know the difference between science and pseudoscience?
What is pseudoscience?
Beliefs and theories that have been called science, but there's no proof to it.
Like myths and
Yeah.
like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard that before.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you a series of questions. You're going to tell me like if it's science or pseudoscience. Law of gravity.
Science.
Law of conservation of energy.
Science.
Atomic theory.
Science.
Astrology.
Pseudoscience.
Bermuda Triangle.
Pseudoscience.
Astrology.
Science. Wait. Oh, that's pseudoscience.
Okay, law of gravity.
Law of gravity? What about it? You want me to explain?
No, is it science or pseudoscience?
Oh, well, gravity. Whew, it works. It works so well. It's not pseudoscience.
Law of gravity.
Pseudoscience.
No. Between science and pseudoscience?
Yes.
Then what's pseudoscience?
The science of I don't know. Next question.
Pseudoscience is the beliefs and theories that have been called science, but there's no scientific proof to it. Science is well-known knowledge from the world through observation and experiments. I'm going to ask you questions, you're going to answer if it's pseudoscience or science. Astrology.
Science.
No. Bermuda Triangle.
Science.
I'm be asking you a couple questions. Like, do you know what science is?
It is the study of the natural world.
Okay. And can you give me any examples of science?
Chemistry, psychology, let's see, biology. Is that it?
That's not what my question was. Like examples of science, like a theory. Like
Oh, okay. The Big Bang Theory. The laws of Newton's laws. Well, I mean,
that was
okay.
The other one you said.
Okay.
It's kind of sketchy. All right. And do you know what pseudoscience is?
It's science that's not proven.
And what are some examples of it?
Theories. Theories are pseudoscience.
No. Bigfoot.
Science.
No. Levitation.
Science.
No. Atomic theory.
Pseudoscience.
Science. Okay.
Law of conservation of energy.
Is science.
Bermuda Triangle.
Pseudoscience.
Atomic theory.
Is pseudoscience.
False. Science.
No. Well, no. Okay. Hold on. They have no specific. Their atomic theory, right? Is of what is the atom, right? Where do they have a specified atom molecule, like a model of an atom? It is not for sure that is what the atomic cloud, right? The electron cloud. Yes, but how do they know? Maybe it's an electron triangle. How do you know it's an electron cloud? It's not proven, so it could be either way, whichever way you look at it. I say that it's pseudoscience because there's so many different.
We're gonna have to, this interviewee, we're gonna have to cut him. Kill him.
It's not proven. You can't look at an atom under a microscope and be like.
Atomic theory.
Atomic theory, not pseudoscience. Atoms can be split and cause huge explosions.